Do you want to get your jewelry evaluated before you travel to Canada? Do you want to avoid spending a hefty fee for doing the evaluation?
Well, you are in luck because in this video we'll be going over a proven way to evaluate your jewelry. And the best part is you can do this on your own without having to pay any fee to a third party jewelry evaluator.
So, if you want to save some money, do watch the video till the very end. Hi, and welcome to Choose Canada. This is Roshan,
And Lalita.
and we are here to help you immigrate and live in Canada.
We upload videos on immigrating to Canada and scoring high in IELTS almost every week. So, if you are new here and interested in our content, make sure you press that subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you stay up to date with our latest videos. Immigrating to a new country can be quite overwhelming. And among other uncertainties, you might be confused as to where to go for jewelry evaluation.
It also does not help that IRCC website is generic and vague about the process you need to follow to bring jewelry from your home country.
To help you out, we have prepared this video so that you can use this as a guide to do your jewelry evaluation. This also includes jewelry that you will be bringing in the future as well, so that you can avoid import taxes on the items.
Rest assured, everything that we are sharing is from our first-hand experience as we landed in Canada very recently. You can also check out our video on our landing experience and the quarantine plan we followed if you're interested.
In this video, we will be going over what kind of documents you need to prepare and what is the process for declaring your valuables to customs in Canada. And make sure you watch till the end of the video because we have a bonus that we believe will be very useful for you.
First of all, take clear pictures of your jewelry. Make sure you include jewelries that you are not bringing immediately as well, as preparing evaluation for these will be very useful when you're bringing them later.
Next is to prepare a Word document with the pictures and details of the jewelry. The details to be included is the description, weight, current value in your local currency and equivalent value in Canadian dollars.
You can calculate the current value using the daily gold or diamond rates that is available on the internet. Then you can convert the value into Canadian dollars.
Once you recorded these details, make sure you include the total jewelry value in your local currency and in Canadian dollars in the document.
Once you completed preparing this document, take a color printout of it. This will be the document that you will be giving to the customs officer when you land.
But don't you need to get this document prepared from an official evaluator? Will the customs officer accept the document that we prepared by ourselves?
These are reasonable questions that may come to your mind. However, rest assured we followed this process ourselves and it did work for us. The customs officer did not have any issues with the document we produced, so it should work for you as well.
Before we go to the process for declaring your jewelry, please do hit the like button. If you hit the like button, the chances of another immigrant to watch this video and save money will increase tremendously. So if you believe in helping others, do hit the like button.
Now let's move on to the customs declaration process. You need to declare your jewelry in the customs counter. You will be reaching this counter after you complete your immigration and collect your baggages in the airport.
One thing you need to remember is that you need to make sure you go to the custom counter before you exit the airport, because at least when we landed, going to the custom counter was optional and not mandatory.
So, if you want to declare your jewelry, make sure you ask for directions and reach the customs counter. Once you are in the counter, explain to the officer that you have come to declare your jewelry as part of goods to follow.
Once you explain this and hand them the document, they will scan your document to their registry and then stamp your landing date on all pages of the document.
They will print out a customs form and attach it to the document and hand them to you. The document needs to be kept safe with you, as this document will help you avoid import duties in the future.
Do make sure you carry this document next time when you bring back the listed jewelry from your home country. This will serve as a proof that these jewelries were not newly purchased items, and as a result, you can avoid import duties on them.
In case you're a couple, let the officer know that either of you will bring back the listed jewelry and request him to add a note in the system to allow either yourself or your spouse to bring back the jewelry in the future.
Now that you have understood the process, we have a question for you. Did you inquire about the money that jewelry evaluators charge for this service? If so, do leave a comment on how much money you have saved by watching this video.
Now let's move on to the bonus. We understand that you might find it difficult to prepare this document on your own. That is why we are giving you a template that you can use to prepare your document easily.
We have prepared this template based on the document we personally submitted, so there should be no doubt that this gets accepted.
We have left a link to download the template in the description box below. So if you need to prepare the evaluation document, make sure you download the document from the given link. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful and informative.
If you have any doubts or need any clarifications, make sure you comment below. We will be reading all your comments and will try to respond to any of your questions.
Meanwhile, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content.
We will meet you on our next video. Till then, have a great day and all the best on your journey to Canada.